the sciences teach you really great technical, and granular thought. And I mean that with respect, very much. Like it's very difficult to do some of the job of medicine without that sort of lens of being able to be precise. But I think that the opposite side is constructing meaning over that and seeing where you fit into that world. And I think that that's one of the manifestations that we see right now in medicine is that without that basic education of the humanities, this ability to construct meaning, this is one of the reasons why burnout is such a big problem in healthcare. This is why we see the attrition rate of doctors. This is why you see people leaving the field. This is why, because really at the end of the day, like in many jobs, what is being offered is like increased payments, and so people kind of went in with this vague sense, I want to help people, and I do want to, make a good living, but it's really like it's a mixture of things. But then by the end, by the time you get through it, you see that that your everyday work is geared toward that one thing, and you haven't created that architecture
Mhm.
of meaning, which is that, well, I could have decided along the way, like maybe I could have worked for somebody else, maybe I could have divided my time in a different way. Um, it's all up to the individual to decide that, and that's why I think like medical education is starting to respond to that. For instance, I like you mentioned, I direct the Humanities Expression and Arts Lab, which is a way to get to get humanities and arts into medical education for this very reason, so that we can have people at the bedside, but also introspectively making sort of these decisions based on like constructing meaning for their careers and for their communication with patients. And I think that I really believe that the arts and the humanities is the way to do that.